Hello, dear fellow soul. Let's start this message with taking a deep breath. Take one now. Let the air in, hold it, and let it go. Now ask yourself, what am I so afraid of? Why do I worry so much? Because here's the truth. You were never meant to live in fear. Worry is not your natural state. It's a learned response. But just like it was learned, it can be unlearned. Let's talk about something deeper than just feeling better. Let's talk about waking up, about shifting your mindset so powerfully that worry can no longer control you. Not because life gets easier, but because you start seeing life for what it really is. A school, a boot camp, a divine playground for your soul's evolution. Now, stay with me. This isn't about ignoring your problems or pretending everything's fine when it's not. This is about learning to respond rather than react, to choose peace even when the storm rages on. Neville Goddard once said, "Change your conception of yourself, and you will automatically change the world in which you live." That's the secret. Your world isn't out there. It's in here. In how you perceive, interpret, and respond to what happens. Think of Earth not as a final destination, but as the kindergarten of consciousness. It's where souls come to remember their power, to feel contrast so they can choose alignment, to walk through fire so they can become light. So when things go wrong, when you're rejected, when life pulls the rug out from under you, don't say, "Why me?" Instead, ask, "What is this teaching me? What doorway is this pain unlocking?" Because everything that happens is happening for your highest good, whether you see it in this moment or not. Abraham Hicks often says, "Everything is always working out for me." Not some things, not when it's convenient. Everything, even heartbreak, even failure, even silence from the universe. You see, fear comes from the illusion that we are separate, from source, from purpose, from meaning. But you are not separate. You are a thread in the infinite fabric of life, a spark of divinity, having a temporary human experience. Alan Watts reminded us, "You are the universe experiencing itself." So how could you possibly be unsafe? When you really understand that, not just in your head but in your soul, fear begins to fade. Worry loses its grip. Why? Because you're not at war with reality anymore. You're working with it. You're surfing the waves, not drowning in them. This isn't blind positivity. This is spiritual maturity. It's being able to say, "Yes, this hurts. Yes, I'm scared. But I choose not to spiral. I choose to observe. I choose to trust." Because fear feeds on resistance, on control, on the need to know every outcome. But peace flows from surrender, from alignment, from the courage to be still, to trust the process, even when you can't see the path ahead. Eckhart Tolle calls this the power of now. When you're fully present, the future can't scare you. The past can't haunt you. There's only this breath, and it is enough. And Joe Dispenza teaches, when you elevate your emotional state, when you hold the vibration of gratitude, joy, love, your body, your mind, your reality begins to change. You literally rewire your brain. That's not woo-woo. That's neuroscience. So next time worry creeps in, when your mind spins with what-ifs, pause. Come back to now. Ask yourself, is this fear mine? Or was it programmed into me? Is it protecting me or limiting me? You don't have to be fearless, but you can be brave. You can move forward with faith instead of fear. And remember, you're not here to get it all perfect. You're here to grow, to love, to awaken. Life is the classroom. Challenges are the curriculum. But your vibration, your state of being, that's the exam. You pass not by avoiding problems, but by staying in peace as you move through them. So take a breath. Let go of what you can't control. Trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor, even when it whispers in silence. And most of all, don't worry. You were never meant to just survive. You're here to remember who you truly are. A soul, eternal, infinite, unshakable. Thank you for being here. If this message resonated, give yourself permission today to stop overthinking and start being. Because you, exactly as you are already enough.